Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can decide content you see on X or Twitter. So all you have to do now is open Twitter app on your phone and you can decide content you see by tap on privacy and safety. So the third option here, content you see, decide what you see on X based on your preferences. You can tap it. So decide what you see on X based on your Explore setting. For example, you can turn on location, show content in this location. When this is on, you will see what's happening around you right now. Personalization, trends for you. You can personalize the trends for you based on your location and who you follow. You can turn this on. And also the search settings, you can try to turn off or turn on the hide sensitive content option here. This prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. So if you're a sensitive one, you can turn this on. And also remove, block and mute accounts. Use this to eliminate search results from accounts you've blocked or mute. You can turn this on. And also the sensitive media. So manage your preferences for seeing sensitive media on X. So Twitter use technology to help us identify sensitive media. So while we are always improving, the X may not get it right every time. So you can try to adjust the graphic balance here. You can warn, show all, or never show this. It's up to you. And also the adult content. This includes consensually made and shared media that's pornographic or meant to cause sexual arousal. You can try to warn or never show this. And the other, this includes other media that's been remarked as sensitive, such as media from accounts that have marked their media settings as sensitive. Again, you have to choose warn, show all, or never show this. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.